We're gonna see what it do on this gas mileage. What I recall was one tank will get me to the bottom of the grapevine. So we're gonna top it off right here and keep it pushing. Time for the home delivery service. Gotta go. Well, I can tell you for sure, by filling up in Gilroy, I'm down to where it says I'm coming into Los Angeles as we speak. We're by the, where are we at? We at Sunset Boulevard. And we have 131 more miles of gas mileage to go, which meaning I'm only 25 miles, not even 25 miles, I'm maybe 10 miles from my destination, and I've got enough gas to get me down here, move around, and probably get me back over the hill to the Grapevine or on the way out. So one full up will get me from the house to Los Angeles. So investing in a more economical vehicle for this type of movement is definitely worth the investment. Yes, it is a V6 truck. It doesn't have the roar like the big trucks have, but as you see, it's got one in the back. And I did a few modifications to the truck to make this work out well for me, so it's a one-man operation. But yeah, hey, if we were operating with the big truck, we would have had to shut it down right about the bottom of the Grapevine. So, hey, you see what we got going here. But the big truck has its advantages. You can close the tailgate. You can put luggage all around the bike. You can put two bikes if you really had to. You got a full back seat instead of a partial back seat. So, yeah, there are advantages and disadvantages to having that. So, we're cruising down the 405, coming to Inglewood soon. I'll reach out to some of my local homies and see what they up to. I know it may be a bit early in the morning, but I'm gonna reach out and holler before I get back on the freeway and head back home. Just taking y'all along for the ride, let you see what I see. Once again, it's Rob from Money's Car Stereo. And please click on the likes, smash up the likes. My man Willie D would say, when I put this on YouTube, please subscribe, so when you see me dropping new content, you'll be notified. Gotta go. Mission accomplished. I'm about to be like Kane from Kung Fu and roam the land aimlessly looking for something to get into for the next hour or so. But yeah, everybody was happy. Everybody smiling. Let me get up out of here. Down here in Inglewood. And we find us some food down here. Find out what else we can get into. See if we can go interview anybody today while I'm down here, make use of my day, and then get up out of here. Back to the Bay, man. Back to the Bay, man. Down here in Southern California. Let me see something. Let me double back on him and ask him a question, see if he's still there. We forgot to do the t-shirt presentation because I left it at the house. So, my bad, folks, my bad. And he's still there. And he's leaving the house. Got the exit interview, man. Robin Money's Car Stereo, man. We just dropped it off, man. Man, how was your music sounding, baby?
Great. Hey, you know what? It was worth the drive, and I'll do it again.
Okay, y'all heard that. Where we at today, man?
Inglewood.
Hey, we on that red carpet treatment will deliver to your front door. You pay the cost to be the boss. I will be here in your city.
I recognize in Inglewood.
That's right. All right, you back to your job, man. I gotta go too. All right. You see it. We're out of here. Hey y'all, I told y'all I know people who know people. And I'm talking today with, who am I talking with today?
No, it's Triple OG.
Triple OG handlebars man slash supply man. He buys out warehouses. He's got what you got up here, OG? I see you got the interfering for older road glides. That's a 96 to what's that 13 before it switched. You got the gas tanks. I see you got the bags, some new ones and
New
some
and old.
new and old. You got some new style fairings. Man, you got street glide stuff. Man, tour packs.
They dying to buy.
Okay, yeah. You know, Hard Davis is gonna rake you over the coal, but the OG, he got it for you. If you wreck your bike, you go down. He may even have your color in stock. You know, plus he got them handlebars for you. Man, I was sitting here. We've talked over the wire harnesses. I'm telling you, hit him up. We're gonna give you contact for in a minute. Well, man, got some vehicles over here that he worked on and never. You said you never brought it out to show it, huh?
Never brought it out.
Man, and we looking at this is a 60 Impala. 60 Impala. You know, he got some stuff going on under the hood, but we ain't going to that. But we looking at this green, man. I'm telling you, if it makes the sunlight with that green on green, and he got the green with the houndstooth up in there. I'm telling you, man. And I'm telling you, let me see what the truck look like back here, man. And he got a gang of parts to go with it. So he got, yeah, okay. Well, here's the question. What's the difference between a 59 and a 60 for people who don't know what we're looking at?
Well, you got on 59, it got cat eye tail lights. 60 has the 3.
Oh, okay. Oh, the cat eye is the whole rectangular looking light. Right. Okay, now I know. And you was telling me earlier.
And the wing structure is also different.
Okay, so what style do you like? I see you got a 60, so you don't like the 59?
I'd rather have a 59.
Oh, okay.
The 60, I got this for a deal.
Okay, so you had to do what you had to do.
Yes, sir.
And so we were talking about, you were saying, only thing you need to do is pretty much put a buffer wheel onto it and he'd be ready to hit the street.
Put the bumper on it.
Put a little something on the registration, and you know, you'd be good to go.
Get the trunk prettied up. Can't come out without the trunk prettied up.
Oh, you got to be go head to toe, front to back, side to side, all that. So when you pop the trunk, they'd be like, do you see me now? Under the hood, do you see me now?
Might have to update the music a little bit.
Oh yeah, you got some oldies in there.
Got some old good stuff.
But sometimes the older stuff is better than the new stuff. Yep. So you got the JLs in there. Okay, yeah. So with this car right here, are you going to keep it as a stock rider? Or are you going to airbag it or anything and just ride it stock as we see it?
No airbags.
No airbags?
I don't believe in airbags.
So airbags ain't the way to go.
Nah.
So if you
not with our culture.
And with y'all culture, it's either juice or nothing.
Or hot rod.
Okay, so this one, what would you consider this car to be whenever you do decide to ride? What's the category it will fit in?
Street ride.
Street ride? Okay. All right. And also, I see you got a 64 Impala up here. Super Sport. Yeah. So, how long...